Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I'm cooking turkey on the grill. What I've done is I've put an onion in there to keep it apart and kind of season a little bit. I season with garlic powder, onion powder, and this bone-sucking chicken rub. Now what I'll do, I'm gonna wrap this up and I'll cook it 2 or 3 hours like that. Then I'll finish it off on the grill. This isn't over direct heat. The coals on the far end of the grill away from the air intake, and that way it'll smolder and not burn as hot. And I'll just wrap this up and let this cook. And then I'll take it out of the foil and put it on foil and let it cook some more like that and make sure my temperature is right on it for poultry. And those temperature guides will be in the description setting. But this will be a good turkey. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.